back to Auto Vibes 7. Today, we're diving into the beast that's making waves in the agriculture world at the 2025 John Deere 16-row head, also known as the C16F. This isn't just a corn head. It's a full-on harvesting machine built for performance, precision, and productivity like never before. At first glance, the design speaks power. With a solid build and a sleek, modern finish, John Deere has clearly focused on combining function with durability. The C16F features 16 rows of unmatched efficiency, designed to cover more ground in less time, saving farmers both time and fuel. But it's not just about size. The real magic lies in the technology. The C16F is equipped with John Deere's Romax chopping stalk rolls. These deliver up to 30% longer wear life compared to previous models. That means more acres, fewer replacements, and lower maintenance costs. As the camera moves across the head, notice how cleanly the crop flows through. That's because of the active end fenders and stalk deflectors. They help reduce crop loss and keep the field clean, even at higher speeds or in tougher conditions. The folding frame design is another standout. With the touch of a button, the 16-row head folds in for easier transport, making it perfect for large farms that need to move from field to field quickly. It saves time, reduces wear on the machine, and keeps operations smooth. From the inside, operators will appreciate the seamless integration with John Deere's smart displays. The C16F is fully compatible with the company's harvest monitor systems, offering real-time data, row-level performance insights, and GPS guidance to make every pass count. You'll also find high-performance gathering chains and a redesigned auger system. These upgrades mean more efficient feeding and better handling of high-yielding crops, exactly what today's high-output farms need. And let's talk durability. Every component is designed to handle the toughest conditions, from the heat of the season to the unexpected bumps in the field. Whether you're harvesting in dry or damp conditions, this head is built to go the distance. So who is the C16F really for? It's for serious farmers who need serious results. If you're looking to boost productivity without sacrificing quality, this machine delivers. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for modern agriculture. That's all for today's breakdown of the 2025 John Deere C16F 16-row head. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Vibes 7 for more powerful machines, future tech, and all things automotive. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.